look. How you guys all missing?
Hey man, yeah, nigga, shut up.
Shut up, bitch!
I haven't touched the ball once, and it's been 2 minutes.
No way, no way. How do I...
0 points.
What is
Oh
that?
my
It's
god.
0 points.
Yo.
0 points.
Am I gonna have to title this video playing with ass player again?
Oh my god, title is the worst nigga to ever touch.
Part 2.
The center.
Oh,
Oh,
so
fuck. I was paying attention. I was paying attention.
Fucking bums.
Bums, you have 12 points now.
Oh shit, I missed
missed it
that.
again.
My bad.
Wait, that was wrong.
I think
No, that was Peralta.
I did not even go for it.
I'm going for it. Relax. He's not gonna hit that.
What's popping? Brand new cock just sucked it.
Hey, yes.
No, sorry, no.
Okay,
You saying we ass? What are you
I'm
doing?
sitting up.
You're sitting up.
Oh.
I'm sitting up.
Hi.
Okay.
He's nicer when he
They got
sits
lucky. They
up.
got lucky.
Center. Hit it.
Oh my god.
God.
Oh.
No. Oh, I got this.
Is this nigga serious?
No. Peralta. Oh, how did you fuck that out? Oh my god.
What? You missed an easier shot, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
I'm gold. Fuck you. Oh, let's go. Yo, if you would have touched that, bro, we throwing hands.
We throwing hands.
You wanted to touch, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, facts, you low-key wanted to say you.
Fucking trash bag.
Trash bag. Look at you at the bottom. You're gonna stay at the bottom every single game you play. How does that feel to just stay at the bottom? Just stay a loser in every.
Sunset, stay a loser.
Please enlighten me.
Imagine being a loser. You couldn't be me. I'm a cool kid. Peralta! Oh my god.
Oh.
The point of the game is to score into the other. Oh my god. Oh, soy, bro.
Hell. What do you mean, soy? There's like 3 of them there.
Alright, let's just watch you. Let's watch Osoy. Where's he going to do? Was he? Oh, he hit.
What do I do? Shut up.
That's That has to be in. Come on.
Hey.
This nigga stole my fucking.
You were not scoring that. Shut up. You were
This
not
nigga stole
scoring
my.
that.
Bro, it was going in regardless.
Hey,
You fucking stole
It was
it.
not going in, bro. That kid was coming in. I'm not risking that. You didn't even get an assist. You didn't touch it. You didn't get the assist. You didn't touch it. You didn't touch it.
What is that?
Touch it.
There's never any boost on this map.
There's boost all around. If you look hard, you
It's the glowing stuff. On your dome. Where are you going?
How am I supposed to get that? Please tell me how I'm supposed to get
Hey,
that.
where are you going to the raid, my nigga?
How am I supposed to
Yeah,
get
what
that?
has literally.
You hit it!
Who?
You scored it for them!
No, I didn't.
Peralta just scored it!
No, I didn't, nigga.
Yo, Jordan, look back on the footage, you're gonna see he scored it.
Nah,
You're gonna see
I
he
got
scored
you.
it.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh my god.
Yo, someone please. Look at my setup. Look, this is all me. Call Neymar to Messi, am I
All
right?
you?
Look at that setup. Look at the setup.
Mbappe. It's me right there. Okay, Peralta, I see with the 6 points.
Bruh.
Okay. Really helping out the team right there.
Good effort.
You know what? You want to talk like that? I'm gonna just stay right here in the corner.
Yeah, Gerard, we don't need him. We don't
Of
need
course,
him.
of course.
He can sit in the corner like a little baby. He's literally sitting in the corner like a child.
You got timeout.
Y'all don't need me, right?
They go on time. You're on timeout. Yeah? We're just not gonna play with bro.
Not chill.
What do you mean chill? He literally doesn't even want to play.
He's good content.
Y'all don't need me though. I thought I was fucking trash.
You are
happened?
trash. What don't you understand? Do you think you're actually good at the game?
Yes, nigga.
6 points.
And you're in
That shit
silver
does not
too.
prove anything. I
Okay,
wasn't
okay,
playing half the
okay.
fucking
I'm gonna
game.
get us in another game, and you're gonna prove that
Wait,
you're the
try-
best.
I
Okay.
bet.
A few moments later.
Here's your time to shine.
Alright, PP, we want to see you get MVP this game.
That shit don't prove anything.
Oh
Is this nigga serious?
my god. Oh my god. So how are you gonna prove
It
you're the
improves.
best?
It shows that you're the
What are you
most
gonna-
valuable
what are
player.
you gonna- What are you gonna do to show you're the best, bro? Please.
We're gonna win the game. But
If we win the game, that proves you're the best.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, soy, bro! Oh my god, someone's talking all this smack and
Son,
he
here,
just
you
does.
fucking soul, nigga. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Look at this fucking
Bruh.
doo-doo.
What was I supposed to do right there?
Don't touch the fucking ball. I had it.
You're not. You were.
I had that. I was
I
right
would've hit
there.
it on the other
Gerard
side.
was the
It
one
would've
who was
bounced
there.
off.
What are you talking about?
I was right there behind you. You fucking doo-doo.
You were.
I was
Gerard,
there.
I want you to check that too. Peralta was in front of me. He doesn't even know where he is on the field. Jesus Christ. How you become dumber and dumber.
Shut the fuck
Yo,
up.
it's all that
Fuck.
sun
you
gazing,
go.
bro. It's all that sun gazing. Remember you say you'd be staring at the sun because it enlightens you, bro? You win it's because of me and Gerard.
Alright, so y'all don't need me,
Look at
right?
that, look at that,
Oh,
look at that.
they hit it. They
Y'all
hit
don't
it.
fucking need me.
What
This
is the point
kid.
of getting in the? What is the point of saying you're gonna play if you're just like?
Oh Oh, nice,
Oh my
nice,
God.
nice, nice.
Alright, so if you said if we win it's because of YouTube, then you guys don't need me, obviously.
If we win, it's certainly not because of you.
I bet.
Like,
Yeah.
look,
Oh, he saved that. He saved that. He
did
saved
not
that.
save
Yes, he did. He
Check
hit it.
that.
Just say you need
Oh,
me to win
God.
the fucking game.
You're like 13.
Alright, PP, we need you.
I want to hear from Osoy too.
Nah.
I hold this out then.
Hey, yo, what
Dick in your
the
mouth.
fuck?
Is this nigga serious?
You're garbage! Oh my god.
He was gonna go in. I thought the
You're
first
garbage. Oh my god. Son missed a wide open goal and then got dunked on. Please, 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 please.
Is this nigga serious?
What are you doing? Oh my god. What are you doing, Osoy? What are you doing? Oh my god, what are you doing?
Bro, we're gonna score. Hopefully.
Oh, I'm gonna score because you just missed 2 open chances.
You don't even have a goal.
I literally spoon-fed you the other one and the other 2 that you missed.
What'd you go outside to do?
That's some food, you feel
Walk
me?
my fish.
Why can't you see me?
Son grabs his fish out of the tank and just throws it on a leash. I can't see,
No,
bro.
he walks with the whole fish bowl. He walks with the whole fish bowl outside. It's a pet. You always gotta give a name to your pet.
Nah, nigga.
How come you don't have a name for your fish? What? That's mad dumb.
Peralta definitely just like
So,
named it
like,
after
what
himself so he
happens when
doesn't
you
forget
want
the
him to, like,
name.
look at you or something?
Peralta-
You just go, hey, fishy, fishy.
Peralta named it David so he doesn't forget its name.
How is that funny? I think it's our cornballs. Laughing at anything.
That's so funny. Already, bro.
Don't start, nigga.
I don't. Perfectly fine. You did perfect. You did everything you could. You did everything in your power.
Did everything in your power.
That's what I like to hear.
It was unsavable. I probably couldn't even get that.
Blew himself up.
What the hell?
My brother Josh
I wanna hear this.
blew himself up.
I just got blown up again, bro.
My brother
This
Josh
one kid
God
blown
damn.
blew
up.
himself up. My brother Josh
Oh my god.
blew himself up.
What the
Bro,
f-
we gotta
My brother
get on
Josh
Yo!
blew himself up.
You said we gotta get on their side and you're crossing it for him. Oh my
I
god.
was trying to hit it hard.
Annoying. This nigga's just blowing us up.
My brother Josh blew himself up.
God damn.
And you missed it. Oh my. How was supposed to get on their
I was trying
side?
to hit it
My
like...
brother Josh
Oh my
blew
god.
himself up.
This kid's
My
gonna
brother
hit
Josh
Oh my
blew
god.
himself up. My brother Josh
Oh
blew
my
himself up. My brother
Oh
Josh
my
blew
god.
himself up.
No.
Shit is not even funny anymore.
It's getting blown up.
My brother Josh blew himself up.
Charles is the only one getting blown up.
Oh, what do you mean it's like getting
Blew
blown
himself
up?
up.
Yeah.
He tried it.
My brother Josh
Oh my god. I was
blew
in the
himself
air.
up.
Hey, it's one back.
I come in like 3 more. Come on.
Oh, he's trying to blow me
My
up.
brother Josh blew himself up.
Oh,
My
shit.
brother Josh blew himself up.
Annoying.
My brother Josh blew himself up. My brother Josh blew himself up.
Yeah, that's y'all.
My brother Josh
Oh my god.
blew himself up.
Yo, you got
My brother Josh blew himself up.